Hi, this is Ray with SGIA, and it's time for today's Tech Tip Tuesday.
Another popular tool that many shops use is what's called an Atkins probe. This is made by Cooper Atkins out of Connecticut, and it's a donut probe that is placed on the printed shirt, and then you can see the long cord. It actually passes through the dryer. And on the reading here, I can see how fast the temperature ramps up, how long it stays at temperature, and then what the ramp down is at the end of the tunnel. So I can get a really good indication inside my dryer, not only in the center of the belt, but also at the either end and front to back as the shirt runs through. So it's a great way to fingerprint your dryer to see if you have maybe a bad infrared panel inside, or if there's any areas you want to avoid placing garments on the shirt. The best and most thorough way to test for ink cure, though, is what's called a wash test. And for this, you really need a washing machine. So you take a printed shirt and you cut the image in half, and you place one half of that shirt in with about a 4-pound load of laundry. And using a popular detergent like Tide or Cheer, you run it through a hot wash, cold rinse cycle. You run it then through your clothes dryer at high temperature, and you do that 4 or 5 times. Then you want to compare the washed, laundered sample with the original that you cut off in the beginning. And if there's significant fade between the two, most likely your ink is not cured. So these are just some ways to ensure that you're getting proper cure with your inks. There's a variety of tools available. They all have limitations, but they all are worth checking out. And that's today's Tech Tip.